Welcome back Motor Madness. Today the 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide RR is a masterpiece of power and design, pushing the boundaries of what a performance bagger can be. Inspired by Harley's racing heritage, this bike is built for speed, style, and ultimate road presence. Starting with the exterior, the CVO Road Glide RR carries an aggressive stance with a sleek, aerodynamic fairing that enhances stability at high speeds. The bike's bodywork is sculpted for performance, with carbon fiber elements that reduce weight while adding a race-inspired look. A sharp LED headlight setup gives it a futuristic appeal, while the signature shark nose fairing remains a dominant feature. The aggressive color schemes, including bold racing stripes and high-gloss finishes, make it stand out on the road. The lightweight wheels and a streamlined tail section contribute to its performance-focused design, making it clear that this isn't just any cruiser, it's a machine built for serious riders. Under the hood, the heart of the CVO Road Glide RR is a Milwaukee 8121 RV twin-engine, delivering unmatched power and torque. This engine is tuned for high performance, producing around 130 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production Harleys ever built. A high-performance exhaust system not only enhances power output but also gives the bike an aggressive, throaty roar. The bike is equipped with a race-tuned suspension system, including premium inverted front forks and a fully adjustable rear shock, ensuring maximum stability and handling at high speeds. Brembo performance brakes provide precise stopping power, making sure you can confidently push this bike to its limits. Harley-Davidson has also integrated advanced rider technology, including multiple ride modes, traction control, and cornering ABS, ensuring a blend of power and safety. The bike's digital display provides all the essential riding data with a clean and modern interface, while Bluetooth connectivity and navigation keep you informed on the go. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR is positioned as a premium offering, reflecting its high-performance engineering and exclusive features. With a starting price of around $55,000, this bike is built for riders who demand the best in performance and design. Limited production numbers make it even more desirable, ensuring that only a select few will own this piece of Harley-Davidson history. For those looking for the ultimate blend of Harley's legendary cruiser DNA and modern racing performance, the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR is an absolute game-changer. It's bold, powerful, and ready to dominate the road with a style and aggression that only Harley-Davidson can deliver.